Hello second grade. In this video we are going to be making change. So it's set up for how much money that you have. You're going to be buying something and we're going to be counting on from the total price to get back to the money that we have. So let's start. We have $1 and we learned to write this yesterday with our dollar sign 100, and this was same as 100 cents. So with that dollar, we're going to buy our hamburger, which costs 89 cents. Now we need to figure out how much change we're going to get back from that dollar. So what I like to do, because it's at 89, I want to get to a group of 10. So I'm going to choose to bring down a penny, and we're counting on from this 89 cents. So that penny would take me up to 90 cents. And then to get back to the dollar that we had, we're going to need a dime. And that would bring us up to 100 cents, or how we wrote it yesterday, our $1. Now we're not quite finished yet. So we had our dollar, we bought the burger for 89 cents, we counted on with a penny to get to 90 cents, and a dime to get us back to our dollar. Now we don't have a dollar left. What this is showing here, this part is our change. So now we need to write our total for how much change we have. So we have our dime and our penny. So the change that we would get back is 11 cents. So that is counting on from the total amount of money, using the coins to get back to the original amount started, counting the coins to then come up with our change. We're going to be working more with this tomorrow. Please leave a comment of something that you learned from this video, and have a great night.